Assalamualaikum and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of Turkey's most important defense projects, the SİPER air defense system. Developed by Roketsan, Aselsan, and TÜBİTAK SAGE, SİPER is Turkey's long-range, high-altitude surface-to-air missile system. The name SİPER means trench or rampart in Turkish, a perfect name for a system designed to protect the nation's skies. It forms the outer layer of Turkey's multi-layered air defense network, known as the Steel Dome, Çelik Kubbe. While Hisar systems handle short and medium ranges, SİPER takes care of the high-altitude, long-range threats. Fighter jets, cruise missiles, drones, and in future versions, even ballistic missiles. In this video, we'll cover introduction and purpose, development history, technical specifications, production status, export potential and possible customers, and what the future holds. Let's get started. SİPER is a high to medium altitude, long-range surface-to-air missile SAM system. It is designed to defend against a wide range of aerial threats, including combat aircraft, cruise missiles, air-to-ground missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, and in later blocks, ballistic missiles. It works as part of Turkey's Steel Dome concept, a fully indigenous, networked, multi-layered air defense architecture. The layers roughly look like this. Very short range, Korkut, gun system. Short range, Hisar A. Medium range, Hisar O. Long range, high altitude, SİPER. SİPER fills a critical gap. For years, Turkey relied on foreign systems, like the American Patriot and later the Russian S-400. With SİPER, Turkey is reducing that dependence and building true sovereign capability. The SİPER program was officially launched in 2018 by Turkey's Presidency of Defense Industries, SSB. It started as an extension of the Hisar family, originally called Hisar U, but later evolved into a completely independent long-range system with multiple blocks. Key development partners: Roketsan, missile design, propulsion, and manufacturing; Aselsan, radars, electronics, command and control, sensors; TÜBİTAK SAGE, warhead and advanced seeker technology. Major milestones: December 2022, first successful test firing of SİPER Block 1 from Sinop test range. The missile hit a high-speed target beyond 100 kilometers. May 2023, final successful live-fire test. December 2023, mass production contract signed, worth over $1.5 billion, covering SİPER and other air defense systems. October 2024 or late 2024, first SİPER Block 1 batteries delivered and entered service with the Turkish Armed Forces. 2025, serial production acceptance tests successfully completed. 2025 to 2026, additional batteries delivered and integrated into the Steel Dome network. Naval version also progressing. Successful test of SİPER-1D from indigenous MEDLAS vertical launch system.
Let's look at the key specs based on open sources. SİPER Block 1, currently in service. Length, approximately 5.4 meters. Diameter, 370 millimeters. Range, 100 plus kilometers. Altitude, 20 plus kilometers. Propulsion, two-stage solid fuel rocket motor, booster plus sustainer. Guidance, inertial navigation plus GPS, plus data link plus active RF, radar seeker. Warhead, high explosive fragmentation. SİPER Block 2, under testing, near service. Completely new missile design. Length, approximately 6.3 meters. Diameter, 420 millimeters. Range, 150 plus kilometers. Altitude, around 30 kilometers. Single-stage rocket motor, with possible booster for extended range. SİPER Block 3, in development. Aimed at ballistic missile defense. Expected range, 180 plus kilometers. Higher altitude capability. System architecture, typical battery. Search surveillance radar, long range, 360-degree coverage. Fire control radar. Fire control center/command post. Multiple missile launchers, vertical or slant launch. Reloading vehicles. Communication systems. Capabilities include multi-target tracking, up to 100 targets reported, simultaneous engagement of multiple threats, IFF, identification friend or foe, and operation in all weather conditions day or night.
Serial production of SİPER Block 1 is fully underway. Mass production contracts were signed in late 2023, and deliveries to the Turkish Air Force and Land Forces began in 2024-2025. Additional contracts have been awarded in subsequent years to expand the number of batteries under the Steel Dome program. Roketsan is the main manufacturer of the missiles, while Aselsan produces the critical radar and command systems. Production is expected to continue strongly through at least 2029 to equip multiple steel dome layers across Turkey. As of now, SİPER is primarily in Turkish service. Confirmed large-scale exports have not been publicly announced, though there is strong interest. Potential/reported interest areas: Middle Eastern countries looking for alternatives to Western or Russian systems. Southeast Asian nations. Indonesia has been mentioned in some reports regarding possible cooperation or local variants. African and Central Asian countries seeking affordable, modern, long-range air defense. Turkey's defense exports have grown rapidly thanks to systems like Bayraktar drones and Hisar missiles. SİPER is expected to become an attractive option because fully indigenous, no export restrictions from third countries, competitive pricing compared to Patriot or S-400 class systems, proven technology pathway from the successful Hisar family.
Part of a complete multi-layer solution, Steel Dome concept. Countries that already operate Turkish systems or have strong defense ties with Ankara are natural candidates.
Looking ahead, Turkey is developing SİPER Block 2 for longer range, SİPER Block 3 and further variants for ballistic missile defense, naval versions for ships, deeper integration into the AI-supported Steel Dome network. SİPER is more than just a missile. It is a symbol of Turkey's growing self-reliance in defense technology. From dependence on foreign systems to producing its own long-range air defense shield in less than a decade, that's a remarkable achievement. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Do you think SİPER can compete with systems like Patriot or S-400 on the global market? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.